Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're looking at something from TAMIYA, and this is a V-1 FIESELER Fi103, and this is from the 148 scale aircraft series number 52. And here you can see some dimensions: fuselage 169 millimeters with a wingspan of 112 millimeters. Here also up here, we can see here some more numbering information, the box art with the artist signature, a couple of different items there, as well as a little bit more information on the needed parts and cement. If we look on the edges, here we can see a couple more illustrations to help you with painting, as well as a little bit more information there. A little bit of contact information at the time, and a date of 1997. Continuing, you see here 52, as well as item 61052-800. And again, a little bit more information on this side. Continue on the back of the box, some more views to help with assembly and painting, plus a barcode. If we go ahead and open it up, you can see here, even on the edge, some recommended paint colors on both of the flaps. Continuing, let's see what else we have. There's another number stamped onto the cardboard there. Decal set. And a little bit more information as well, but your main instructions are on the back of the box. Take a look at the parts tree itself. This is still in the stapled bag, and that's really all there is involved with this. It's a very simple model, but depending on how you paint it up and include other accessories, items in 148 scale, you can set up a pretty neat little diorama around just this one object. But just kind of taking a quick look at an example of the V-1 FIESELER Fi103 from TAMIYA, the 148 scale aircraft series number 52. This has been another unboxing or show and tell type video. Feel free to check out other unboxing, show and tell videos on the channel. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.